Hello everyone around the world. Let's fix a laptop. We have this laptop that is coming from a regular customer. If you remember this laptop, I fixed this laptop like 3 months ago, and today we have same laptop to repair. And what did I fix 3 months ago? What did I fix 3 months ago? Let me show you what I did 3 months ago on this laptop. What I did 3 months ago. If you check here that the laptop is an HP 14-BS091NIA that came in for repair, and this laptop was not powering on. And we managed to fix this laptop without schematics. Fine. So now today, what the customer is saying about this laptop, the laptop actually it is coming on, but we have a black screen. So we can see this 19 volts 3.2 amps. Plug in the power supply. Uh, 18 pre-charge current, and the current just jumped to 1.4. And if we check here, we have a orange charging light. So our laptop is charging. It's charging. If you check on the other side, when I'm pressing the power on, the LEDs are coming on. LEDs coming on, but basically we have nothing on the screen. But I can see a faint HP log here. Maybe you can't see, but there is a faint HP log there. You see that HP log, the faint log? Yeah, we have log there, but the laptop is not displaying, is not doing anything. So let's check out the battery. I don't know why there are no screws here. All the screws are missing. And the owner of this laptop is fixing, is fixing fridges, air conditioning. So is doing other part of electronics. Is fixing like home appliance things. But here we have an issue about this laptop. So what can cause this? What can cause this? Let's check out this. We are on the motherboard side. Let's put back the LVDS cable for the screen. Let's check out the RAM. Let's reinsert the RAM. We don't need the CD drive. Let's try one more time. On. The board is coming on. And basically same issue. So what I want to do, let's check some voltage on this screen cable. Let's see if we have 19 volts and 3.3. We have 18.9. 18.9, and we have 3.3. So on the motherboard side, all the voltage are present. So let's go on the other side. Let's go on the other side. We managed to separate the fault on the motherboard. I don't think this fault is coming from the motherboard side. So on the screen side, what can cause this kind of fault? Maybe the cable for the screen which is coming to the motherboard is not properly inserted, or we have some missing signals there. So let's open the screen and see what we have on the other side of the screen. We must be in a position to fix this, because this is the second time fixing this laptop, but I'm happy it's not like the first time fault. So what we can do, the first thing that you can do if you don't have backlight, take out this LVDS for the screen cable. That's the first thing to do here. We disconnect here like this, and we can connect back this cable. And after doing that, we have to test again. Maybe the cable shifted slight bit on. And we have picture, and we have light. So you see, sometimes that's the problem. I found this on many laptops. You take out the screen connector, you put it back, and it's loading Windows. It's loading Windows. Everything is fine here. I thought to be like a proper job. And the laptop is on. Mousepad is working. So now, how do we prevent this from happening in the future? Let's disconnect the power, because this thing must not happen again. So what we can do, because here we have the screen ribbon cable, which is being supported by this sellotape. So we'll lift this sellotape, and we'll come with a hot glue. Not too much, just a little bit on top of the connector, between the connector of the screen and the connector for the OVDS cable. Just like that. That's all what you have to do. We will know that this connector is stuck forever. If anything happens, maybe the screen is broken, it's very easy to take out this connector, because we did not use epoxy here. That's the advantage of using hot glue. So all what is needed is to put back all the screws. I've put all the cover. Let's insert the battery. Let's do the final test. On. It's taking 400, 600, 1.7. And you can see the HP log. We now have backlight. So everything is working fine here. The touchpad. Here there's user password. The keyboard is responding. Everything is working fine here. So I'll stop here. If you have a backlight problem on a laptop, like it's coming on, you have black screen. Yeah, before we jump on to checking difficult or complicated things, just check the basics. Trust me, you can fix many by just checking on the basics. So if you have anything that you want to know, or you don't want to, or you don't understand anything, or you wish to add something, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll try to answer you on the next repair. See you on the next one. Bye bye.